So what does your roof warranty cover? Let's find out. When you hire a roofer, you want to make sure that they have workmanship warranty. And what this warranty does is that it gives you even more protection than the standard manufacturer's warranty. The industry standard for the workmanship warranty is 5 years. This simply means that after your roof is installed and there are any workmanship issues, then you are covered. Typically, you will find that out within the first 2 years of your roof repair or replacement. The roof may need to go through a couple of seasons, a couple of winters, a couple of summers, snow, wind, rain, things like that. And if you do discover that there are any workmanship issues, then the original contractor has to come out and repair any of these issues. Don't forget to hop onto our YouTube channel. There is a ton of videos on roofing, contractors, warranties, licenses, you can imagine everything. So take a minute, hop on there and see if there's anything that catches your interest. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you'd like to contact us, well, description box, all the information's there, and of course our website. Have a good day.